Assalamu alaikum students. I am your science teacher Wasim sir. I hope all of you are fine in this pandemic situation. Today we are going to start our second semester syllabus. So the first chapter of second semester syllabus is chapter 6. The chapter name is the green plants. The first topic of our this chapter is leaves. Here we will learn why most of the plants are green in color. Most of the plants are green in color because they have a substance called chlorophyll present in their leaves. Okay, plants are green in color because they have a substance called chlorophyll present in their leaves. If there is no chlorophyll, the plant will not be green. Now, different types of plants have different types of leaves. Okay, next our topic is parts of a leaf. Now if we see the diagram carefully, the flat part of the leaf or the surface of the leaf is called the leaf blade, and in the figure see there is a line in the middle. This long line in the middle of the leaf is called the main vein. And there are many small lines on the sides. These lines on the sides are known as side vein. Okay, the line in the middle is called the main vein and the small lines on the sides are called side veins. Veins help to transport or move substances such as water, minerals and food to and from the leaf. Okay, the underside of the leaf that we cannot see, the underside of the leaf contains millions of tiny openings. Tiny openings means holes. Okay, these tiny openings are known as stomata. The stomata let air flow in and out of the leaf. It means we can say stomata helps a leaf to breathe. Just like nose helps us to breathe, stomata helps leaves to breathe. Our next topic is functions of a leaf. A leaf performs mainly two functions. First one is the leaf of a plant makes food. That's why it is called the food factory of a plant. And the second function is leaf helps the plant to let air in and out through stomata. Okay, so these are the two main functions of leaves. Our next topic is how do leaves make food. Now we all know green plants make food with the help of chlorophyll present in their leaves. But other than chlorophyll, leaves also use water, light and carbon dioxide as raw materials to make their food. Plants obtain these raw materials in different ways. For example, water is absorbed by roots and it is carried through stems to the leaves. Light is absorbed by chlorophyll and carbon dioxide is taken in or absorbed through stomata. Okay, water is absorbed by root, light is absorbed by chlorophyll and carbon dioxide is absorbed through stomata. Now after the food is prepared, we also get oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen is given out through stomata. So we can say stoma performs two functions for the plants. First one is it takes in and gives out air, and the second one is it removes water vapor and oxygen from the plant. Now the process by which leaves uses sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to produce food and oxygen is called photosynthesis. Okay, we can see easily that the process by which green plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. We can say like this also. Okay, the process by which green plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. Now, the food prepared by the process of photosynthesis is called glucose. The prepared food is then taken by stem and branches to other parts of the plant. The plant uses some of the food and stores the extra food as starch in different parts of the plant, such as leaves, stems, roots and flowers. Okay, the plant stores the extra food as starch in different parts of the plant, such as leaves, stems, roots and flowers. Okay, and don't confuse yourself here. The prepared food is called glucose and the extra food is called starch. Prepared food is called glucose and the extra food is called starch. Our next topic is interdependence of plants and animals. Interdependence of plants and animals means plants and animals are dependent on each other. There are 3 examples given in the book to describe this interdependence. First one is, we all know green plants are known as the producers of food. Animals get their food from the plants. It means animals depend on plants for their food. Second one is, if there is a sudden increase or decrease in the number of one type of plants and animals, then the number of other types of plants and animals will also increase or decrease. For example, we all know the food of snake is frog and the food of frog is rabbit. Now, if for some reasons the number of rabbit decreases in the nature, the frog will not get enough food, and as a result some of the frog will also die and the number of frog will also decrease. Similarly, as the number of frog has decreased, snake will not get enough food and eventually the number of snake will also decrease. So we can see, if the number of one type of animals increase or decrease, number of other types of animal will also increase or decrease, and as a result the balance of nature will be disturbed. Now, a chain that shows a series of organisms means number of living beings where each member depends on the lower member in the series for food is called food chain. Now, the third example is the third example of interdependence of plants and animals is, we all know plants give out oxygen. Animals need this oxygen to breathe in. In return, animals breathe out carbon dioxide, which is essential for plants to make food in the process of photosynthesis. So this is the end of chapter 6. I hope all of you have understood all the topic of this chapter. So all of you should take care of yourself until I come up with my next video. Allah Hafiz.